I don't know when I'll be back again. Hey! Beloveds, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasons with Shane. Big up to all of the viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. What wanna do, how things go life. Big up on a nice, clean, good self on a do. What how they do. Yes, my dear children, yeah, my loves me, I Agnes herself when I start out with courting clothes them. You understand my loves? Yes, we're going to court. We don't know we are going here, but we just know say we are going here matching outfit, go into the house of the law, my loves. Yes, the time is winding down. The time is winding down, my loves. You know me sit down and me a picture myself side of the judge. You understand me? I may have the hammer looking something. I tell the people them order into the court. Order into the court, my loves. Oh, what a day that will be. Merciful Father. July. How much days left in July? Just a little tops of days left for July. Just a little tops of days left for July. And then we are gonna have the meet and greet something. And then after that, we don't know what is coming next, but I'm looking and I'm preparing myself. So you understand me, Agnes herself that I pack up with little grippy, yes, so loves. And I get a little something them kind of know. So anytime we are going for it, we have to walk with a little fried fish and balmy we roast breadfruit, we blue draws, grater cake, drops, sprat fish, and we are gonna fry snapper fish and them something there. Yes, my dear children, we're preparing from early. You understand me suitcases packed and everything. We just cannot decide what type of clothes we will be wearing into the courthouse, my love. Yes, into the house of law. Yes, my dear children are happy. Happy indeed. Happy in the Lord. Amen. Amen. Yes, my dear children. So now while I was here, we're packing and we're trying to figure out what is what. We sit down so long, Me I say me could go stretch out with foot in the early morning, yeah man. Sun no come out yet. Me could stretch with foot into the early morning. A long time we don't walk through the neighborhood like that. And we're leaving on the jet plane. We're not sure when we're coming back into this kind of neighborhood. You understand me, my loves? Yes. So we could just walk out, and fatten we eye them and see what is going on and see if we see anybody where we can greet and let them know that we will be leaving shortly. Yes, my loves. And my dear children, I don't know how my foot them stretch go all the way over Tlady yard, because we never go to Tlady yard direction. We was just stretching with foot thems. Yes, my love, stretching the feet, my love, and it stretch go all the way to Tlady yard. And I say, but this was not the direction that we had planned for. You understand me? Agnes, how we reach here, so how did we get here? Anyway, I must say, and as we there, so might as well we Tanasi, what is going on over there. Because we know, say, Tlady, she's a hurly bird, you understand, my love? She's a hurly bird, she rise early into the morning, and make her little mischief them in the early morning, when a lot of people are, still asleep or some pan them we are going to work and all of that. So she get up into the earliness of the morning to make her little mischief them. So me say, make her go look to see if I can catch anything. And my love, lo and behold, I was never wrong. My love, lo and behold, I was never wrong till you did it over the chatting the people them. Till lady was over the chatting the people them have vented my love and telling her people them say people out here on social media telling lies pan her how she is going to file subpoena. Hey! Because when I hear she say she going to file subpoena, I say file warrant. After me no know that they were there. Me no know that they were there is a good thing. I have Google as my best friend. When anything me go to Google, I ask Google. Google tell me. And I say, me can go over by Google. I ask Google, what is subpoena for? The lady says she is going to file subpoena. You understand me, Google? The lady is going to file subpoena to Ray and him nephew them. You understand me? And to the birdie lady and immigration JPS, the whole of the people them where lady did do brand ambassador something for yes my dear children. So she said she's going to file subpoena because she say the lady have it out here and say she write letter to all of them. You understand me? She the lady write letter to all of them. So she is going to file her subpoena her. Me dear children, when I go over there and I type in the word supina, I say, but I do it. So I spell. You understand me love the word so proper that it will even spell like how it pronounce. So before I go down any further, me love, make I tell no where Google tell me say supina is. So Google now say that chin, I may say yes Google, and Google say a subpoena is a formal written order that requires a person to appear before a court or legal proceeding. For example, a congressional hearing. You understand me? I say yes, Google. So you know the order is a demand to testify or produce documents. So all of them letter there where I can't do she never write any out. They say she write them. She say no them have to go. You understand? Come with proof of them. The letter there because her name is Marian and not Tina Chin. So when me hear that part, then all my loves and can remember saying one of the Cinti we write up over Google they so have Tina Chin signed there. So me say I never you. Is another Tina Chin. So the lady when you go to them say I know you name Tina Chin. You know what? Me loves her. Make I do a spice and no business with nobody business, yeah. Because say me see it with me too. Yeah, I was something we write up over Google so and the big sign Tina Chin. So so Tlady, no, Tlady. So all of the letter them where you write a Tina Chin sign them. So that's why you go contact say your name is Marian and not Tina Chin. Oh, I see. Moving right along, move right along. So hence the reason she is going to file the subpoena. So when I hear that the word, me I say, but Tanya no, but Tanya, from tea lady here say, I know just know tea lady here say you know you're getting sued when the lady come up. I never hear tea lady mention that word subpoena yet. Had the force and God help me here. Tea lady mention that word there. So me I say, but wait man, if people like I say, tea lady now has seek legal advice. The lady seeking legal advice for any at all. See, the lady didn't know about this subpoena word, you know, me love. She would have come here most power with this subpoena word long time. The lady, she would have most power enough to prove to we say, yes, so she bright and she know a subpoena word. You understand me, my loves? And I bet make me know a subpoena word. I who don't know subpoena word. Me never know the word subpoena, my love. I never know the subpoena word. Me did have to go research for know, they force me here and I tell you, they force me here with it, my dear children. But then me a looking at myself and I say, but the other day when Lady DM come out your contacts, the people write letter, she never call a single soul name. You understand me? And other people crossing so all about the place. I say, T Lady write letter send to places. I never hear Lady D come out your con call T Lady name and say T Lady write letter to anywhere. So how T Lady now pick you up off here herself and know say she T Lady you're guilty, T Lady you're guilty has charge. Tlady, you're guilty. Tlady, you're guilty has charge. Conscience and your heart like a chichi. Tlady, you're guilty has charge. Your Hannah, your Highness, your Majesty. She is guilty. Guilty, your Honor, guilty. The lady never call her name, but you pick it up, boy, you got to file. So pin her. Eh? You pick it up, boy, you're going to file subpoena. You're guilty, man, you're guilty. Till lady, you wrote the letter, them, till lady. And tell whomever you're seeking the legal advice from, till lady, tell them you wrote the letter, which one don't waste the people them time. You understand me? Do not waste the people them time, till lady, you wrote the letters, them. But people are tell lie pan you. Eh? People had tell lie pan you. Till lady, look about lies you tell pan the woman out here other people. Till lady, look about lies you tell pan the people them. Till lady, the evidence them out there, you know. Till lady, you might not have them, but then chaka all about the places, you know. Till lady, the evidence them there. Me understand so your brain a go up in a head. You understand me and you can't remember the things them when you come out here and say handle the things them. You forgot them. You understand me? But till you the evidence them out here, I love them out here. So don't waste the people them time, but you're going to file no subpoena, mama. Leave the subpoena alone. But another thing now, the question when me have to ask you. You understand me, till lady? The question when me have to ask you now, till lady. I miss you miss over your hour. You miss we? You miss over your hour or anywhere else you're gonna not go and feel over there. Cause me no understand. Several times you come out, I know you was coming back, you know, I know you was coming back. You understand me? I don't know how you take so long, but I know you was coming back. You keep coming over here. Oh, you're done with this and you're done with that. And when you come out here, tell your people them say you're done with this and you're done with that. You come out into your speaky spooky voice as you call it. Eh? Make the people them believe you. I try to convince the people them, oh, I'm moving on from over here, so I'm moving up to bigger and better things. You understand me? I've seen brighter light at the end of the tunnel. And I will be rubbing shoulders with the who's and the who's and the who's not. I want to mix with people who are going somewhere, people of substance, not the little beggar, careless people them over there, sir, who no have no life and never get no love from them people them. And them angry. I don't want to mix with the angry people them. And as such, she come out with her speaky spooky voice, my love, and I go on. Then oh you come back, my love, oh you come back. Yes, I never look back for you. I know you was coming back, but I was hoping that this time it would have been truly to God, you're not coming back. But then that question again, Tlady. There enough question I have here. Then that question now, Tlady. Uno claim say we hungry over here, so how we have to use for uno name. You understand? Call uno name to get a little daily bread. Hey, but Tlady, you know, is it that? Is it that uno hungrier than we over here so hour? Because if we have to call for uno name to get a little daily bread, you understand, and a little paycheck as uno put it from Google or YouTube, from YouTube. Yes. Then now, when I don't go elsewhere, I don't know, call up lady the name, I know I do own one thing, you understand? I what over this on our feed, you know. So me couldn't have to come back in this section here. Oh, don't have to make hungry KILLE man, make hungry KILLE man. So uno hungry yeah. Because I can't know we are feed pa uno, but we uno a feed pan the lady name. Uno a feed pan the lady name, so the lady name is for uno daily bread, you understand? The lady name take uno shopping, the lady name pay uno bills, the lady name, you understand, the lady name do all the good things them, all the good things them. For once fear name now mention how town amount, everything for no this gone downhill, just gone downhill like a water get up where roadside. Nothing, so no liquor, nothing, not none likes, no views, no nothing. Once no mention the lady name, everything skyrocket. So uno know a cause we have man, uno fi say we, put uno self in it and say we, no say uno say we. Guy, no matter what uno go, uno have to come back. It no matter which part uno go, uno got to come back. Yeah man, uno keep coming back over here for more. Yeah, so make we reason now, Tlady. Me don't ask the question now. Make we reason now. Make we reason. For a holy person thing you come out here with this morning, you know. Holy person thing you come over here with this morning. I must say, everything where you accuse other people of, you understand? You say people have mental issues. People lie and everything else where you say, Tlady between me and you. Me not even talk make a soul here you alone me I tell you understand woman to woman cause me supposed to can't tell me a woman to but Tlady you know say between me and you Tlady you're guilty of the same thing yes Tlady the things them where you come out you can do Tlady it make we wonder, Tlady. It make we wonder. You understand? If you yourself have mental issues, to me not lie between me and you. Nobody raise your voice. Make nobody here say, I that me I tell you. But if you go around and do a little survey, Tlady, everybody are going to tell you say yes. Then things say you have mental issues too. So Tlady, you can pick be more people. Yeah, when you mut and you mut, you will have you. Yeah, ball. You understand? Cause you're guilty of the same thing. You're guilty of the same thing. Truly to God. I kiss the cross. Truly to God. You see, when you talk about obsession, Tlady, and I say people obsess and all that you're guilty of to Tlady, all that. All right, listen here now, Tlady. Tlady, me not think nobody out there have Facebook page or YouTube platform like you know, Tlady. And you have the most, Tlady. The amount where you have on Facebook alone, and all of them the page where you have, Tlady. If it's start the woman at 99 years, so you can go upon, you know, a platform where other people not like her, so you can use the different name, them go in a comment section, yes, and you create all of them the page. Look now, Tlady, look up. We show how the obsession is strong now, you know, Tlady. For when we realize now, you know, Tlady, your tap compare your original page, the real page, con dog her out, you know. You will chat about her, but you're not dog her out. We realize so you don't even call her the names them where you used to call her. You understand what you do because me know Tlady, me I know say you see the same so TV page over YouTube. So Tlady talk, you got the almighty truth. Me not tell nobody you can't tell me Tlady. Tlady don't have your page. Tlady have your page. You could have this start device like a more Tlady. And only you alone so and so Tlady. You alone so and so Tlady. Tlady, me know say the same so TV page of you. Everybody know that Tlady. No, look what you do now. You know you use that the page now. You know Tlady. Fear chastise the woman. Eh? You use that the page now till if you chastise the woman till you and you talk all you want, talk you call out her name and you go out with yourself till talk it out now till that is not obsession. Till it is obsession. It is obsession till so everything where you accuse people of you're guilty have the same thing, ma'am. You're guilty. Might as well you come out and you just claim the page because we know a fear. We know his fear page till we know. Where the backside you wanna do it so much page, ma? Where you do it so much page? Where you get time to manage them? Until lady, you tell me now if anybody were in a their right, healthy, conscious state of mind, till lady, would have had so much page if he start one individual smaddy. Until lady, talk till lady. But you say a woman with sense. Answer the question, till lady. Answer the question. So no compare you again, can't tell nobody about no mental issues or no obsession and then there's something they are dealing. No do it again because you're guilty of the same thing. So it's like I say no you use fear cause other people. You understand me? So anyway, now my dear children, she don't have that the topic they know. And guess who she go pan? She no call no name, but you don't know the curtain lizard looking woman where they oversaw. You don't know that curtain lizard woman the man. Yes. She same one. She same one. She done pan her. And she dash some breeder stone there, Baba. Me love she dash some breeder stone there. Cotton lizard lady, come here. Come here, cotton lizard, because you say no. You over there fast with the eyeglass lady. We have several business string out here at Jamaica. Are you fasting with the charity lady? So you never see the breeder stone them with the lady dash by you, ma? Eh? You never see the breeder stone them with the lady dash by you. First and foremost, Tlady lady say you don't look good. She say you don't look good. Tlady lady say you're ugly. She say you bleach out. You don't stay good. You tan bad. She say you never wear name brand yet for your bad. She say you not even know Juicy Couture. And she did wear them there in the jail cell, my love. She be a name brand. She wear into the jail cell. She say you got no pigment or you got no melanin, my love. She say you is a piece of shit. She say you eat yourself, my love. She say you don't got no clothes. All of them something there, I don't be say it. I tell you, say it, I deliver the message to you. She say you don't got no clothes and you're ugly. You're an ugly lady. Me not like curtain lizard looking woman. Me not like till lady done you. She done you. She rub you off and she scrub you off and she turn you down, my dear child. She done you. And the charity lady and the eyeglass lady with the whole heap of company them. And them you have trend for. And them you have trend for. But between me and your curtain lizard lady, between me and you, she done you, she do you bad. And there's something where she has about your curtain lizard lady, a truth is the truth. Yeah, and curtain lizard lady, a truth, me never can't say nothing but I was waiting. You understand me, curtain lizard lady, you think me never hear when you say you're comfy chin. Curtain lizard lady, you think me never hear you say you're competing. I waiting, you know, curtain lizard lady, I still waiting because I want to bring you to a nursery school. I want to bring you to a kindergarten school. I want to teach you how to pronounce letters. I want to teach you 1, 2, 3, ABC, MAT, Math, RAT, RAT, CAT, CAT. I want to bring you to a school. Curtain lizard lady, you think afraid of who know? You talk about you coming for train. What are we don't have trend for train? What are we the whole I don't have trend for? I don't tell you say not to come. You know, curtain lizard woman. I don't tell you not to come. Come anytime you want come. You understand and come just as you are. Because I will be right here waiting. I heard your mom, but I never say anything because as I said before, I was waiting. For every day, who no get up like who no big bad and bowl, but who no coming for people like who no think people afraid of uno. Or don't think people afraid of uno. I never know say me and you make plans. We going somewhere. You tell me if we going somewhere but you're coming for chin. I heard you, I heard your curtain lizard looking woman. I heard you, but I was waiting. So, curtain lizard lady, when you're ready, me there, you're here. I am right here sitting down waiting for you. You understand me? Back to you now, Tlady. Tlady, you know, you're a hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. Because here, all of them, they're thinking the way I tell you, woman, you're classy, woman, you're stoner, and I go on with yourself. Then, Tlady, when you dey take yourself go hitch up with them, the whole of uno, you know, he, ha together. I know I converse by phone, I know I go on the cell phone, I know I chat upon, you know, I know I class people together, and you are cheer them on, you are write the lengthy paragraphs, them by your platform, have big her up and a cheer and I tell her if you go and do the door, encourage her. Then till lady, how all of a sudden, you have the same thing you say about the woman, no, till lady, you is a very hypocritical woman. Because in say lady, you know the woman never have nice clothes. You know the woman never look good. She can't put herself together to save her life. And you wait till you no turn enemies before you start tell her them the same thing they tell you. You should have tell her during the time when you know a friend and help her, teach her how to put herself together. You understand me? Don't wait till you no turn enemies or tell you that just proves that you is a damn hypocrite. You is a damn hypocrite. Anyway, me is not a fan of neither you nor she. You understand? But I was just saying. And we as my love, we've come to the end of another video. Please remember, if you reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch the like button, show a girl some love, show a girl some support. Peace out, enough love, enough respect. You know, later, do enjoy the rest of your day. Have a safe and productive one. Bye bye.